Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. If you've ever wanted to unlock the real power of your sales data in Power BI, today's tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to calculate total revenue using DAX, that's Power BI's magical formula language, so you can transform raw numbers into real business insights. Let's dive in and get this set up step by step. First things first, open up Power BI and make sure you're looking at your reports workspace. If you're following along, I've got a sample table ready, but you can use your own sales data if you prefer. Let's imagine for this example that we're working with a table called shoes. It lists every style we sell, how much each pair costs, and how many units have been sold. If your table looks a little different, no sweat. The same logic will apply for any items you sell. Now, to actually calculate total revenue, we need to create something called a measure. Measures are special formulas in Power BI that automatically calculate values across your data, and they're super useful for dashboards and reports. Here, how to set one up. Find your table. In our case, it's shoes in the Fields panel on the right. Right-click directly on the table name, not a column or anything, but the table itself, and select New Measure from the options that pop up. This opens the formula bar at the top where you'll type your DAX expression. Let's write that out. Type total revenue equals, then use the SUMX function. SUMX is great because it lets you add up values row by row and use calculations as you go. So you'll type SUMX. Shoes unit price sold. What's happening here? SUMX cycles through every single row in your shoes table. For each row, it takes the unit price and multiplies it by the units sold, just like you'd do if you were calculating the revenue from your cash register receipts one by one. Then SUMX adds up all those results, giving you the grand total revenue. It's like asking Power BI to do the math for you faster and without any mistakes. Once you've typed in the measure, hit enter and Power BI will save it. This part might take a couple of moments, especially if you have a large set of data, so don't worry if you see the spinning wheel for a second. Now, to actually see your shiny new total revenue calculation, head over to your table visual in the report. Click to select your table, and in the Fields pane, check the box next to Total Revenue to add it to the visualization. Instantly, you should see the total revenue appear, and it should match exactly with what you'd get if you calculated the total sales amount manually. This is a fantastic way to double-check your work. If you notice the numbers aren't matching, chances are there's a data entry issue or a filter in place. Don't worry, just go back and have a look, and Power BI will update automatically. And that's it, you've just used DAX to turn simple sales numbers into actionable revenue data. This technique isn't just for shoes, you can use it for any product, service, or dataset that has unit price and quantity. I hope you found this step-by-step tutorial helpful. If you did, hit that like button to let me know. And if you have any questions or run into something tricky, drop a comment below. I always read those and love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Power BI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.